To use screen write with S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to annotate or highlight a detail, open any screen you want to annotate. As the example, we will open a photo in the Gallery app. Remove the S Pen from your phone. To open up the recommend menu. Next, tap screen grab to instantly take a screenshot of what's on the screen. A set of editing tools appear at the bottom, including pen setting, eraser, and undo option. Use your S Pen to draw, circle, or write directly on the screenshot. As the example, we will highlight a button on a car dashboard with a red arrow and write something for it. First, change the pen color by tapping the pen icon and then select red as the color. Close the pen setting. Now, draw an arrow pointing with the S Pen and write as needed. When finished, you can either tap share to share it directly or tap save to save it in your gallery. Given to the function, screen write is perfect for giving quick visual feedback, pointing out specific details, or making something important without needing a separate editing app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.